Yo, yo, yo. Welcome back, guys. How are you tonight? How are you today? Depends on where are you now. So drop in the chat. Where are you from, guys? Where you are watching from? I'm already in the day 11, if I'm not mistaken. And right now we are so close to launch the app. I think we will have the app the next week, which is good news, but we need to see what we work on today. Hello Smar, welcome back, bro. How did you find out that we are live? I'm really curious. Did you receive the notification? In the meantime, I will set something here on the Twitch as well. So we will try to Twitch to also stream on Twitch, but it seems like it's a little bit difficult. I already started the stream, but it says it doesn't have it's failing to connect to the server. So I'm just looking for 1-2 minutes. If I don't find it yet, I will just forget about it and start doing the settings. Let's find out where are the settings. Let's find a way, guys. Let's ask Claude, actually. So basically, I'm trying to stream on Twitch as well with OBS, but unfortunately, it seems like it says fail to connect to the server. Tell me what I can do and how I can literally connect Twitch as well. I put the stream URL with the live key, but it seems like it doesn't work. I'm working now, so from time to time I check YouTube. Nice, bro. What are you working? Are you a dev? Oh, so this is the link. Let me check with that, because I've put something wrong instead. Let's see. Let's start. And yeah, we are live on Twitch as well, guys. But let's see, because the video download was cancelled. Please click here to reload the player. Let's see. Let's edit also the stream info. Okay. We are setting up the Twitch, guys. So we will also have the Twitch live. Let's see if I can go in Twitch and see if that is live or not. It seems like the video download was cancelled. Please try again. It seems like I'm live, but the video is not working. Oh no, it's working. Wow, bro, what was that quality? That's perfect. So the quality is extraordinarily well on Twitch. I'm so, yeah, I'm so hyped. So if you want to watch also on Twitch, go to my profile and I'll share with you it here. This is twitch.tv Theodore Avadani, same as YouTube. Okay, I don't know why this is happening. The video download was cancelled, but I don't understand why. Let's also ask Claude. I'm really curious. So guys, you see exactly what I'm doing every day, how I'm vibe coding, how I'm doing everything. So this will not be a struggle for you anymore next time. Seems like it's working, but now if I'm trying to watch myself, it seems like it says that the video download was cancelled. See why? So here is the Twitch. If you have a Twitch account, let's go comment on there. That's good. So good news, Twitch started loading the video, but something interrupted it. The cause is almost always on the watching side, not your stream. This is #1 by a mile. You block or region ad block. Okay, perfect. So we don't have anything to worry about it. So let's put those tabs in a new group. So I'll be on the bottom of them. Perfect. Good. Perfect. How are you, Limited? I'm so happy you're here again, bro. So the topic for today is how we can do the terminals to actually be responsive when you resize and make them smaller and higher and wider. So I didn't find any clue on how to do that, unfortunately. Is there any reason we should start and continuing trying or not? What do you think, guys? It's not really a bad thing. It's not something that is really bad, but I would have to one day fix that. I don't know how. Maybe also Claude is solving the problem they are having, because it's clearly an issue also opened on GitHub. If I'm going to the repo of Claude Code, everyone is complaining about this. I don't, let me find the issue. Yes, bro, but how do we solve that? Because it's not our fault. It's basically the Claude fault. And I don't really see a fix here. But maybe I will try and open again the session we had yesterday. Let me find the session. I think this one is the session. Let's see. Maybe you need to use the other approach of rendering it. I tried, and I've come up to the idea that we are basically just using a preview of the terminal, but the terminal is always wide. But this is also not working. You see, the terminal is grabbled on the right. And Claude suggested what that leaves you, and my actually recommendation is the dial and the two ends are now proven not guessed. Current, which follows tile, comfortable text in every tile, but old output stays narrow after you maximize. Cost is occasional, only on resize, and cosmetic, it's a scroll, it's old scroll back, the live conversation you are. Fixed width, maximize is always clean and uniform, but every small tile has small text, cost is constant. I recommend staying on the current. Switch to fixed width only if your real overflow is focused on one maximized terminal most of the time. Then uniform maximize is worth small tile text. So I really don't know what to say, guys. This is something I don't like, because I already have had three ideas which didn't work. Tell me which matches your okay. Yes, but actually we want just a preview of the terminal in the less wider terminal, and this should have the correct font. We cannot use the small font. Let's see what's going on with the music. You mean we are keeping the terminals full screen like this, and then we only show a preview when it's like this? Narrower? Because look, Claude really found some issues in GitHub that people are complaining about. This text doesn't reflow when resized narrower to wider. Root goes to the hard new lines. The fix is now open and shipped. Feature request for Claude to emit soft wrappable output. You see, guys? So it's not our fault. We need to handle what we have, you know. Then the next subject is basically the let me also close this one, close this one. close this one. And activate the stream. Yes, the output is hardened to that size. Yeah, exactly. That's the conclusion. And the other thing is that we've done the analytics dashboard for the Prwn app. But I don't know if I can show it to you. Let me try. So we do have the dashboard where we'll track everything. We'll track the analytics, how many people. Yeah, it's not working. Just a moment, guys. Yo, Avaria. How are you, bro? Hope we are better than Bridgemind. Who knows? So let's do it like this. And then admin. It's not working. Let's see. The task is not finished. Search help, real guard combined. Okay, perfect. Let's see if the stream is on right now. Stream live, guard up. Perfect. Let me try the admin dashboard. Weird that on my other laptop it's working, but here it's not working. I don't know why. On my other app is working, but now it's not working on this one. I don't know why. Let me sign out, sign in again, and then admin. Now it's not working. Let's also remove the cookies, maybe. And then let's take again the preview URL. And then go to, oh. So I'll show you guys the analytics dashboard. Yeah, perfect. So now it's working. Good. So we'll have the revenue dashboard, okay? Where we'll have the trialing users, the past due and cancel, the trial to paid people, and then we'll see the accounts here. I will also add the blur on the emails, so no one of the emails will be showed on the stream. Let's actually do that again. Hello, sorry. Please add the blur onto the user's email, so anonymize it. So when I'm on stream, nobody can see the emails registered in the platform. Parakit is slow, but actually if I click on them and I want to reveal an user, please let me also reveal their name and email. Also, the search should work if I I try to search by an email, it should work. Okay, good. So here we will also have the analytics from all the Google Search Console. We'll have also Stripe, LinkedIn into here. We'll have everything, and we'll look together every time when we go on the stream also and see what's going on in the app. And we will also share the Stripe revenue and everything. Okay, so don't worry, I will share everything with you guys. So you see from start to the 1 million, everything is here on stream. You can rewatch, you can replicate exactly what I'm doing, exactly as I'm replicating everything now. Okay, then we have the verified production settings, inventory settings, inventory and renders 86. Okay, that's perfect. Let's go. Yeah. I don't understand what this was doing. Verify live velocity is approved both pieces on is present velocity inventory page, so it's not missing grammar. It's not missing, but I'm saying that you haven't implemented respecting the other implementations we've made in the platform before. So in the settings page, inventory is not put in its own container. Parakit is so slow, bro. I think we'll switch back again to Whisper. Let's do it like this. And let's see. Got the accounts table so much by default example, so nothing identifiable is on screen while you stream search is still search still works. This is safe by construction, the safe already runs. Drill down reveal perfect. Okay, so we are building the admin panel. We are trying to fix the terminal. Let's see what this task is doing here. Let's see what Claude is saying to us. Terminals now always use the correct comfortable, no matter how small the tile is. The text never shrinks a tiny preview each time. Each terminal runs at a fixed wide width. A tile shows that terminal depth correct, and if the tile is narrower, then the terminal simply shows the left portion. Let's see what this has been done here. That's the frame model than anything I've shipped, and it's coherent. The earlier white preview shrank the font, the cram, the whole white terminal in. You rejected it too small. What you are describing now, the opposite. Keep the font correct and show only the part that fits. A breathable window onto a wide terminal clip, not shrunk. Did I say that? I don't think so. I don't think I said that you need to show only the part that can be shown. I said that you need to wrap lines when um, there is a narrower terminal, but actually Claude will write in the wider terminal, and what you are showing to a narrower terminal is just basically a preview which does wrap lines. Okay. Twitch is saying that average stream bitrate is too high. How do I modify this? I don't think I can. Let me find the video. Yeah, I don't think I can modify now. So Claude was going to add something that I didn't requested. When Fable is back, guys, when Fable is back, let's check the odds on Polymarket. Tonight it's Portugal versus Congo. Oh, nice. Wow. So on Polymarket, everything it stays so low. The chances that Fable 5 will get in the next few days, it's really low. A lot of people bet on the Monday, which is June 22. But it's weird that Claude haven't said anything. As I showed stream, I don't know why I don't hear any music yet again. What's going on? Okay, the settings part limited is already done. So you can look here, what was my idea with the settings part. So you do have everything here, from appearance to sessions, start new sessions with Claude or Codex or whatever you want. Then you do have the attention and permission. These are for the Telegram, where you receive basically the messages on Telegram after each, you see, each so you'll see exactly what happened, the summary and the next steps. Then you do have the backend selection, which creates the summaries. We've implemented the local model, the one you said today. I don't remember the name. I think it was Gemma 4, E4B. I think that was the one. And it's working pretty well, and it's also fast. So that was what we needed. We also implemented the monitor feature, which basically it will watch basically the terminals and announce you in the chat when everything gets done, if you started the terminal with the AI assistant. So I will deactivate it for now. Then let me enter the password here. Then you have the real-time voice. You need to add an API key and activate it. So it will directly use your OpenAI API subscription. I think everyone has that. And then you have the account where you can manage subscription or rerun the onboarding with everything that's on the onboarding. So you can download the local. You have the next steps to connect the Telegram and then enable the attention layer and also open your first project. So you are having everything in there. So let's put the music back again. I think you cannot hear it anymore as well. I don't know what's that and why it's happening now. I think it's working. Yeah, that's good. I'll put it a little bit downer. Yeah, so you are right. I misbuilt. You said wrap. Long lines, continue on to the next line. I built clip, long lines. Those are opposite. Now the honest part, and I'm going to be precise because it's a crucial everything. Claude writes in the wide terminal and the narrower preview rewraps it. Rewrapping Claude's already written wide lines is the one specific thing both research past proved impossible. Claude bakes its line breaks as real new lines at the right time. Nothing downstream can move them, so the wrap has to happen at the width Claude writes. So doing and solving the terminals, it's a dead end, I think. Unfortunately, we cannot do anything because Claude is basically writing on the lines based on the terminal size and width. Let's try the experimental, and I will try and see and test it live, how it works, what it's doing. I will test it live and I will tell you if it's good or not. Max. I'll try and see why Twitch is not good at all. Is there anyone which tested basically the GLM 5.2? Can we have some insights on them? Should we test it as well or not? Please let's have one unitary way to show the fields, the sections, the elements and everything. So everything it's well designed and within some parameters. Era deschisă. Era deschisă. E, da, ți-am deschis-o eu. Okay, I'm back. So we will also refactor the section, the settings section, sorry. This is not looking good at all. I want basically to make it more like unitary thing. So if we have this like this, maybe we can do some sections exactly like this, not having multiple things. Yo bro, I was showing you the settings. So you do have all the settings here, real-time voice, AI assistant, really good working. I found a way to do the terminal, so it's being shown correctly, and we will try it and test after it is done, because right now I haven't found a way, but it seems like Claude was going a little bit narrower and found something we can use. But let's see what are the trade-offs, because of course there are so many trade-offs. Oh bro, I'm using always Git, so I'm pushing, I'm doing everything. Claude already has the informations on how to commit, how to create branches and everything. So everything it's in cloud as well. How did you do that? How did you remove everything? We'll also modify the settings now, so we make them more powerful, so you guys understand exactly what everything means. And now we also have the dashboards, the analytics dashboards. We activated the analytics, we activated the Bing, we activated the clarity, we activated everything, so we have logs everywhere. And right after the launch, we'll also do some Google ads. So I'll do the Google ads here on live. You'll see everything I've been done on Google ads, so you can also replicate. Correction to my mental model: the settings panel isn't click to swap panes, it's a single scrolling page. What the explainer is wrong today? Two competing half build CSF collaborators, only 3 of 9 say use structured CFG row. Yes, that is good. Yes, that is good. Please help me to implement this and set a goal for this. 1 1. Okay. I think you can hear me now, right? Okay, perfect. Sorry for that. It seems like when the build runs, it seems like everything goes down, but I'll investigate this and hopefully we'll make it better from now on. Checking the subscription. Yeah, I was explaining that I was going on to Hermes browser. You go on the Hermes repo, and you can actually you go into the web app, into the web UI repo, and see here. I think I don't know where it was, but I gave to Claude exact repo. Okay, not web UI. Sorry, it's not web UI. Let me try finding the. This is Hermes agent, and then you should have the let me see where it is. I think the app, yeah, the desktop app, and then you in here you'll have the whole desktop component, okay? And in here, I think in Electron, you'll find the browser, okay? And then you say to Claude to basically using. Let me see. My voice is okay now? Yeah, it's okay. So somewhere you will find the browser. I don't find it anymore, but is the browser somewhere? Yeah, I think I should not build again anything, you know, guys. It seems like RAM it's 100% already, and the Prwn app it's taking 30 gigabytes because it's building. We'll add threading to the build so it doesn't take it anymore. Yeah, because we need to build the app, you know. So when we are building the app, everything it's building all the things and making it them bundled. But now I cannot hear the music anymore. I don't know if you hear or not. Yeah, I think you can hear the music. Um, Let me ask Claude if we can just use dev method, because We do have the daemon and also the cargo, which needs to be reloaded sometimes from time to time. So all the changes are applied. I've done this to actually have the whole app rebuilt with everything, so nothing gets left. The final link is serialism fixes, stitching Prwn is runtime the crypto stack into one binary is one process holding hundreds of mega. Your binary is a real, so if a minus minus dev still feels heavy after this, is the link spike on a full machine? Yeah, I will try because we also have some services that are separate than the Tauri app, and those needs to be also rebuilt. So we see the full changes and everything and test like it was a stable app, you know. So can you please look and see if instead of rebuilding all the time, there is any other way to actually preview the app and see the modifications? I mean, like we are using the Tauri dev command, like the Tauri dev command. But guys, I cannot hear the music anymore. What's going on? Hmm. And why this is not checking? Okay, so it worked right now. Oh no, it's not checking my subscription now. Ah. You see, this is what I was talking about it. The daemon channel split makes story dev riskier than in a normal story dev app. So that's why we are using the rebuild. Conversation, but still this is too much. Let's try again. Oh, not that. Let's see now. Um, yeah, it's not about I don't know the command, bro, but it's about the processes that are modified behind. So this is a key finding. Prwn resolve its channel from the bundling identifier, so Tauri def can be pointed at the canary channel safely. Let me confirm the Vite port and check whether the docs already say anything about the dev preview path, so I don't contradict. It is exactly the loop you are missing. It works for Prwn with one extra flag. Here is the full picture, including the parts that make Prwn different from vanilla Tauri app. npm okay minus minus config. You run this yourself via I can because story dev opens a GUI window and blocks the session, which is hard rule in this repo. I hand you the command to drive it. Prwn decides each channel from the bundle in the identifier at startup with the canary front end, instant HMR, Rust app code, fast incremental debug, recompile, relink. What it doesn't replace, and this is what I want you to see, bro. So it's a debug, unsigned build, not the installed app, anything that depends on the code signing, keychain, entitlements, prompts, the updater or actual install persistent behaves differently. So Tauri dev is the inner iteration loop. Rebuild stays the verification step before you call something done. Daemon changes are not picked up. You see, the daemon is changing, and yeah, we cannot do that. So yeah, the repo docs steer everything to rebuild up SH because the dev first discipline is about testing the real installed Canary app. Tory dev is the faster inner loop that discipline doesn't mention. They are complementary, not in conflict. Iterate with Tory dev, then do one rebuild to verify the actual artifact before considering it shipped. So yeah, but unfortunately, when I'm doing a rebuild of the app, it really overflows my RAM, and unfortunately, because I'm on stream, it seems like the stream it's freezing and not working anymore, and also RAM it's at 99%. So let's see if and research and do a deep dive on how we can make the build maybe not that heavier, and also build faster without overflooding the RAM. Let's see, because this is a really bad issue, if you ask me. I cannot hear the music anymore. I don't know what's going on, but I think I should do the volume lower. Let's see here in this. I think we'll go to put it like this, and then let me try something. Okay. Okay, let's see what is going on with the subscription. It seems like I rebuilt the dev app, and the subscription is checking continuously without letting me to go into the app, even if I have access to internet and everything, and I'm already connected to the app. What are you referring to the right panel? I just moved the settings here. But we are also doing a refactoring of this. Visual refactoring, more or less. This is here, in this tab. In this terminal. No. Why are you saying that is crowded? This is the voice feature, this is the browser, these are the files, and you really need them. Then here is the AI assistant, you can talk or use the real time. The resources, and source control, you can basically look on what's been modified in the app. Why would you think that the right panel is crowded? You can also close it if you don't want it. Also, you can close the left panel and you have the app like this. What are you referring to? Is the hovering text edited in the buttons? What are you referring to? You can also edit the files. If you want, you can also delete this and then save or but you have the number. You have the number of the line. But MD files are showing into a beautiful way. But if you want to modify them, it shows you the lines as well. And then the resources are showing you currently the MCP servers you have in Claude. But and also the skills. This part is for Claude. Everything in here is for Claude without safe prompt. But everything it's in, for Claude. So this is something I made for me because I really wanted to have some things that I only drag and drop into the Claude. But now I have to rethink this section completely. Because for people that are not having Claude, it is not really helpful. But we need to focus now. We need to focus on if you hover over the button in the left, you need to show the hover text on them like other apps do. Which other apps? Let's take the cursor. They show something on buttons or not? like, I don't know, let's take this. This hovering, you say? Oh, I understand. So when they are this, they are showing browser, files, AI assistant, resources, choose control. Also the left one, it says the actual projects. And here the session launch. Execution status, T1 foundation running, perfect. Build completed with exited, work end to end, standing by. If you want, I can confirm it actually took. Check the installed. No problem, bro, no problem. Maybe we find together some things, but every button should show a tooltip, because this is how I built the app in the first place. I have a rule in the Claude MD, and basically all the buttons should have the tooltips, descriptive tooltips. This is how I built from the beginning. If the screen clears, confirm detached launch chain, the proper separate nodes. Your dev daemon is still out while the app is. The app tried to respawn it 3 times and gave up. That won't affect the subscription, but it talks to the daemon. When you're ready, bash. Okay. Do it now. Let's see what's going on with the subscription, guys. Why is not loading? Something is weird. If you are asking me, but the music stopped again. Wait. Before builder running, braceful degrade, snapshot, breed, design, empty state, reduce motion, third critical platform ready for QA. We have much more in here. Perfect. Okay, so we are waiting for the fix on the dev app. It seems like we are having a bug and it's checking subscriptions continuously. But I also see when the text checking subscription is over the app, you can still navigate within the app, and I think this should not be possible to navigate to the app, click the buttons and everything. So let's see what is the bug also, and what is the problem, and let's secure this thing as well. Which service you are using for API calls? If you are referring to the web app, we are using the next built-in API routes. We are not using nothing. We are not using something external. Yes, exactly. We are verifying the subscription through the API routes. Did you guys observe that Opus became slower and slower with the time? It seems like it became so slow. Let me also close this, so maybe we free some RAM. So we need to solve the problem with the subscription, and then we should try and see the terminal. But from what I see here in the back, it seems like it's not fixed. It's so bad. It's looking so bad. Yeah, you should have a database, and every user should have an account, and then on every API request, you should basically check their subscription, and also refresh and make a refresh token in the app, so the refresh token is checked, and then when the people are using the app, or basically switching from another app to your app, you should also refresh at that time, because maybe the subscription was actually cancelled, or the user didn't pay, or any other things. So you should check always when people are using the app, if the subscription is active. If it isn't active, you show them a panel to renew the subscription. Yeah, perfect. Claude is not that good at making it secure. So take care, bro. Unfortunately, I had to work a lot more and I think I also need to work more on this. Because it seems like oh, nice. So how does that work? GitHub and Cloudflare. Okay. I'm curious how that works. Still checking subscription. What the heck? This is crazy, bro. Maybe let's do something. Not this one. You see, you have a code here, then you are logged in via the connected account in your browser, and then you go, and now it's working. You see, everything good. Good. So basically what I did with the terminal, it's not good at all. We can clearly see. So nothing works. This is much bad than what we had. We'll try to get back to the older version. And refactor settings UI. Everything. Let me let me retry that terminal fix. Okay. It looks bad. Please don't promote it. Actually go back to the actual stable terminal. Because it's working at the best. Okay, so the Cloudflare get the license data from the GitHub, and then when app makes an API call for verification, it checks when the send response your license data is safe and never reaches the app. Oh, so it's directly at the DNS level. So nothing loads. I mean, neither the links and anything. Correct? Guys, I'll stay 30 minutes more here on stream. We are doing the terminal and fixing the terminal. Unfortunately, I tried all the possible scenarios. We cannot make the terminals working with Claude because Claude, it's basically trimming the new lines when the terminal is this width. So unfortunately, we cannot do anything about it. We will keep this the same and not bother about it anymore. Then we are doing the admin panel. So we'll have an admin panel just for the admins, which will basically show the accounts, show the revenue. Now what we are implementing is the analytics and everything, so we know where the users came from, how many trials began, where the trials were started from where, and so on and so forth. We already implemented the cookies and everything, so we can also do the ads, the Google ads. So we are also refactoring the settings panel here because I don't like how it looks. Oh, I know what you mean. Understand. I thought that the requests to some services are blocked at the Cloudflare level, so users cannot actually... Wait, I think my camera is blocked, or oh no, it's not blocked. So the request being blocked at the Cloudflare level, maybe nothing will will actually load on the app. So this is a second layer of authentication at the DNS level, which you can maybe spoof something, who knows. Yeah, interesting. Claude is so slow, guys. Can you please verify this? It seems like the agents are stuck or something. What issues does it have? No, I will use my method because I already know it is working. But I think your method is more secure. Guys, don't forget, go on the website. The app it's not launched yet, but will be launched soon, so don't forget about it. Go on the website Prwn.app. It will be you will be redirected to the coming soon page. Add your email. You will get an email as soon as we launch the app, and you also get the link to join our Discord and community. Okay, don't forget about this. The free service gets stopped when no regular API call occurs. Okay. So it's like on demand. And you have like yeah, I understand. You have like a call start, right? But what does it checks from GitHub? The GitHub login or what? Okay. Oh, I understand, yeah. But the subscription license is the same for every user, or you do generate others as well? I saw that Whisper Flow, for example, does have a license. So this is how they are. Sorry, the super whisper. So this is how it's giving you access to the app. Let's have a quick look. So they are having the super whisper, and you click on the activate license here, and if you click, you have the license here. You add the code, and maybe it's using the same principle where you paste the license code. That license code is verified through I don't know, through somewhere, and then when the subscription ends, yeah, I don't know what they are using, but it's clearly something like this. So you purchase on the website, then they give you an email with the license code. Okay. Let's see if now it works. The terminal should work now. But yeah, perfect. Okay. Whew. It reverted back to the stable sizing that works the best. That's perfect. Okay. Good. So let's see if we have something modified in settings. We don't have yet. We'll wait for the other account keychain read timeout. I think it's already done, if I'm not mistaken. The concurrent build loop committed the version by myself, so it self-resolves one primitive our main, now framing out, creating the 6-tier word trace of main front end only, no rust contention, so they parallelize safely. All 6 word trees are off main with T1 primitives, node module linked, dispatching all 6 migration tires in parallel. Okay, I think it. No, bro. Bye bye. We do have our own app. We don't need to use Super Whisper, guys. I think it finished. Please check now, and let's commit, push also on GitHub, and then rebuild the app with the fast option, and rebuild all the dev services if you need. Wait, bro, I didn't even started the Discord today. I didn't have time. I will open the Discord right now and check what you sent to me. Oh. So edit an initial license data. Okay. Interesting. So basically the Cloudflare, it's making requests to your repo. How much is taking for the Cloudflare to check the subscription, bro? I'm really curious about it. I'm really, really curious. Where is this? No, I mean, how much time? What is the round trip? Let's close this actually. And let's also check the other things. So T4 reviewer ready to apply. Graceful degrade covers. Admin revenue can't 500. Using external store server snapshot is deterministic. So no hydration mismatch. Perfect. Okay. ESD access currency tooltips gradient responsive. Let's see, guys. Let's see if we have today the analytics. I'm referring the time to check the GitHub, bro, because you are checking a file, right? So that file is a JSON, but it should find through all the data and think you have like, I don't know, 100k subscriptions in that license file. What you will do basically, Cloudflare will have to check for and search through that JSON file for all the to query basically the file, right? Or how does it work? If you add more subscriptions, I think it will take so long to do that. So what happens when you have 100,000 subscription in that file? When it will get too much big, then just switch to another paid method. Oh, okay, yeah. Makes sense. Why I did this system is because I really want to have all my data about the clients, and maybe just offer some beta, some discounts, some other things, and but I don't know. Mm, we will see how safe and secured is this method, but I don't see a way why it will not be a secure one. I think we also have a bug hunter here in the channel, so he wants access to the app. I think it's the smart guy. He wants access to the app to test the app and find basically the security issues and breaking the app for me and showing me that the app is not really good and not secure at all. I'll give him a free beta account so he can test for 14 days everything and each feature and each situation. Maybe he finds something. But sincerely, I'm really wanting Fable back, guys. It's so frustrating that they took that from us, and it was a really nice thing that really helped. I don't know if they are saying anything now about it. I'll look on my laptop, but I don't think that we will get it soon. It nothing nothing on the Claude account starting from 13 June. It's like a funeral. They haven't posted at all on the Claude in the last few days. This is really weird. Claude, I mean Claude. The last message on Claude, not Anthropic, was on 13. So can you imagine that the government of United States put Fable down in just 4 days? So it took for them only four days to break an excellent product. And this is happening when you are too good, I think. Let's see. I think we'll have the settings UI merge soon. Um, the admin dashboard, it will take more. The T5 and T6 is already being done. Are you looking for beta tester? Then the one is right there. No fee for it, just for free of cost. Yeah, of course, of course. We are. I'm looking. I mean, all the people that are here with me in the beginning will get something from me, of course. And if this helps you to create much better apps, maybe build faster, build something great with it, you can just thank to me, and that will be it. I also thank you guys that you are here with me every day and supporting the growth of the app. Let's see. If this finishes, I will stay a little bit more until everything builds, and I will show you and I will check with you the new settings panel and other panels, because it refactoried all the panels and all the things. Yeah, I think I will not change that subscription model, bro. I think we'll stay on this one. I took the model from Cursor with the account and everything. So Cursor was a real good example of how it would work. Okay, so we have the new design, bro. Let's see, let's see, let's see. So the T5 merge misfired. I ran into the cleanup still. Oh, it seems it's not done yet. When you're launching it, I don't know, bro. I'm still having some more things that I need to work on it, but hopefully next week will be good. So we have a new way showing the new session which opens with. This is pretty good. Then the keep make awake. But this part is not modified at all, guys. Oh my god. No, I don't like it. It seems like it's not good. Let's wait for the main task to actually build the app. But what I saw in the first part, I think will be good. Yes, yeah. For the beta testing, for the other users that want to try the app. We already done a lot in the last 11 days. The app is fully functional, and I also implemented the local model that can do for you the summaries, and you don't need to use anymore the Claude or Codex. Okay, so this is where I want to achieve. This is what I want to achieve. So even if you are using AGI, For example, I'm showing you an example here now. Please see the last 10 commits and give with reasoning. Give me with reasoning. Never mind, I just showing you an example. Okay, so if you will be using AGI, for example, or I don't know, Open Code API, basically the summaries will also render and will also be sent to the Telegram. Okay, this is where I want to arrive, and I want to give you guys the exact same experience, so you don't depend on Claude or Codex. Okay. But I need to find a way that the app works without Claude or Codex. Oh yeah, it takes a little bit more, guys. So I will land the plane here. We will see the new settings page tomorrow because it will take, I think, 30 minutes more. But this is where we need to land, okay? So how use will connect app to the Telegram? What are you referring to? Currently, only Claude and Codex can send summaries and messages to the Telegram, messages like this. But what I want to achieve is to create that every terminal you are opening and a turn is finished in any CLI, for example, Open Code, Cursor CLI, I don't know, other Grok CLI or something like that, will send you a summary and everything to Telegram. And also you will be able to accept and do anything from the Telegram, accept, respond to the questions, spawn a new session with the terminal you want. For example, you'll click spawn, for example, open code folder where you want to open, and then type the message. It's very easy, bro. You are basically have the instructions in the settings, in the onboarding as well. So you will have the second step: connect to the Telegram, answer permission prompt and answering. There, because now it's already connected, you cannot see it, but I can show it to you. But you actually go to the bot father. I don't know if you know the bot father. This one. Oh my god, I just yeah, I leaked my token, but not problem. So you add the token here and you can do everything you want. That's it. Okay, so then all the terminals will work by default, sending you messages to the Telegram and everything. So yeah, I will cut this part, yeah, but I will also refresh the token. Perfect, guys. Okay, so I will end the plane here. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you, Limited. Thank you for everything. We'll see each other tomorrow at the same hour, okay? Thank you so much, guys. Bye and peace.